Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Xiaomi 14T Pro and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So we've got two different ways of entering the specific information about the serial number, and the first one requires entering a secret code. So let's open the dialer and enter the code, which is *##06#. And as you can see at the bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way through the settings. So we have to tap on them. Here in the settings we have to find About Phone, which is at the very top of the list. Let's tap. Now scroll down and find Detailed Info and Specs. Here we have to scroll down again to find the status. And now let's tap on Model. And as you can see at the very bottom, we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.